In this tutorial, I'll show how to create a 15-second clip using the Draw Mask tool on Final Cut Pro. Before we get started, you need to make sure you adjust your video settings to 900 by 1600. This way your video will fit perfectly onto the Instagram stories. As you guys can see, I already uploaded a clip onto the timeline. So what I'll do next is skim through the clip and find the part that stands out to me the most. And this part here will do. Next, I will copy a few seconds of this section. As a shortcut, you can use Command C, then Command V to paste it onto the timeline. Once you have pasted the clip, we will select the Draw Mask tool that can be found in our effects section. Go ahead and drag the effect onto your clip, like so. Now we'll use the pen tool and kind of start masking out the spots that we don't want to show. Once you're done masking out your subject, make sure to click on the box where it says invert. That way only the bottom is showing while the top is transparent. Depending on the clip, you might want to feather it a little, that way it all blends together. Then I'll get that same file, copy it, is Command C, and then repaste it, Command V. Once pasted, we will reverse that last clip we pasted on there. Now we're just gonna copy the two clips, Command C, and repaste them. We're just gonna repaste until we reach 15 seconds. And as you guys know, 15 seconds is the limit on Instagram stories. And there you go. You now know how to use the Draw Mask tool on Final Cut Pro.